Hey, what's up? In this video I will take you through our 2-day stay in Bled, Slovenia, one of the country's most popular tourist destinations. Unfortunately, we had some rainy weather, so on our way there we decided to spend a few hours at Aquapark Bohinj. Bohinj is another beautiful town with a lake close to Bled, and the aquapark is perfect for families with both indoor and outdoor pools for fun with the kids. A 3-hour pass costs 17 euros per person, and kids under 4 get in for free. Afterward, we checked into our apartment, and since we were hungry, we went out to eat. Now the next thing is to unpack and to look for a restaurant. I think Tanya has an idea.
She's hungry.
She's hungry, me too. And yeah, we will look where to go to eat. So for the first day, it's not really promising the weather, but tomorrow it should be better. So after some research, we choose Arroi, a Thai restaurant in the center of Bled. If you enjoy Thai food, this is the best spot for a cozy atmosphere, great service and delicious dishes. Even Leon tried Thai cuisine for the first time and loved it. Here's our starter. Here's my tuna steak and pad thai. It is on the pricey side, but Bled in general is expensive. I like to stay active when I travel, so I managed to fit in a workout. Now going to the gym to do a workout here in N1 Fitness here in Bled. And the weather, we nailed it. Just rain and wind. So maybe this will be my first vlog without any shots from the air, because I don't think with this weather it will be possible. So I'm going to train fasted, because I'm still full from yesterday's Thai dinner, and yeah, just to get moving a little, and hopefully the weather will get better. So because we also have our bicycles with us, but in this weather it's impossible to ride here around. Here it is, the gym. So I did the workout. I went for shoulders, triceps and calves. It's a gym, it's a small gym here, but it has the equipment needed, so also the free weights and everything. So if you are in Bled and want to work out, N1 is a gym to go. Day pass 10 euros. I think it's a reasonable price, and I know that's another gym here, but I heard, and from the research I did, I know that it has less equipment, and I think this one is quite good. I don't know in the summer during hot days if there's any air conditioning inside, but now it's like 80 degrees outside, so it was the conditions were great to work out. Now heading to the apartment to see what Tanya and Leon are doing. And we will probably went for breakfast outside. I think Tanya was searching for some hotels that you can get breakfast even if you're not a guest there, and I believe we will went for that option. Anyway, you will see. As you saw from the intro, I captured some aerial shots, but for that perfect sunrise I will need to come back to Bled another time. Just finished the breakfast at Park Hotel and we are stuffed.
Definitely stuffed. I think it's definitely worth if you don't have breakfast included. It's 19 euros per person, and it's like a really good buffet. So with all 3 of us got super stuffed. So yeah, definitely
even the little one.
Yeah. Definitely recommended.
There's a lovely path around Lake Bled where you can watch the ducks, take pictures at the Love Heart, and find amazing photo spots with the little island church or the hilltop castle in the background. You can also rent a boat to row to the island, or take a carriage or a tourist train around the lake. A small boat for 4 people costs 20 euros.
It's cold. We went from 30 degrees something to 5-6 degrees. Walk around the lake itself. Very diverse but nice. Also stroller friendly.
The walk around the lake is about 6 kilometers, taking roughly an hour to complete the loop. There are several designated swimming areas around the lake, but be careful. Swimming or walking on the grass in restricted areas can result in a 200 euros fine. Bled Castle is the oldest in Slovenia, with over 1,000 years of history. Its magnificent views and rich history make it a must-see. The first written record of the castle dates back to 1011. You can reach the castle via different trails, about a 20-minute walk from the lake. However, the trails aren't stroller-friendly, so we took the main road.
That was the climb up. But we managed to the castle. We had to take the main road for the cars because of the stroller, but steep but manageable. Very steep till the castle, and you have to pay entry if you want to get in, so there's nothing you can see without it, but we don't have the time, so we just turned around.
With Bled being such a popular tourist spot, there's no shortage of restaurants. Choosing one depends on your personal preference. We opted for the Old Cellar restaurant, where we enjoyed some fish and wine, and definitely worth it. You can't miss blejska kremšnita, or as foreign tourists call it, Bled cream cake. Bled cream cake is one of the most famous Slovenian traditional dishes. It combines crisp crust with a blend of heavily light custard and whipped cream, making it quite difficult to eat it elegantly. There's so much to do in Bled. You can hike to Ojstrica, a 20-minute trek from the lake, perfect for catching the sunrise or admiring the stunning view. Straža Hill is also great for outdoor activities. If you're into nature, Vintgar Gorge, Pokljuka and Triglav National Park are worth exploring too, though we skipped them due to the rain and having a small child. This is just a small taste of what Bled has to offer, and definitely worth a visit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on more travel vlogs or weekend getaway ideas. I also post tons of fitness content on this channel, so feel free to explore. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, take care.